This is a video how to do it yourself, not how to order something, okay? So this is how to do it yourself. This advice will save you a lot of time, believe me, that I just gave you. So advice is
and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
what do we have here, Ella? So Ella made a template here. So we will have two the same size, and we will have this one medium, and then we will have this one, and this one will be also on a board, and you can raise them and put them here. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Florida foam. So guys, you can see a lot of foam here, you know. So we choose for Salon, V-Bird, and Aft. We choose the different combination with the foam. Try to figure out like actually what's the best way to go for us. Okay. He's working hard here. Thinking to go with the latex, but they don't have 1 inch. So this is kind of cool for, but for now it doesn't matter, but this is really nice stuff. This is latex. It's cooling your body on a heat.
Oh, it's too thick.
So it's too thick. Yeah, I don't want to go with it too thick. Okay, see you later, guys.
You can even close.
I love this car, man.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Hey, Ella, what we have in the car?
We have for mattresses, for cushions.
Yeah.
Yep. We have five sheets of medium firm, 5 sheets of soft, 1 inch. Medium firm 2 inch, then we need 5 more of 1 inch soft to be on the top and 1 inch hard to be on the bottom. And for cushions we will use 3 inches medium firm.
In salon.
Yes. Those are for V-Bird and after all.
Yeah. That's for sleeping in layers.
Yeah, we will do different layers.
Yeah, we will glue different layers. We could give them to cut, but I want to cut with the different tools and show you what you can do and how to cut with the different tools, different foams and everything, and how to glue and spray and everything, you know, like what's the options to do that. So that will be like for do-it-yourselfers, just to give you an idea. Is that good? Yeah, that's good.
Yes, that's good.
See you later, buddy. Okay, now I have a couple of minutes for coffee. Ella will prepare. Look at that. Huh? Bam! Baba, bam! Baba! Baba! No.
Oh, look at you! That's on the boat, like,
Oh, storm, man, storm! Yeah. Okay, see you later. Okay, update. My sprayer doesn't work. It's drying really fast, so, but the smell is strong. So now I'm going inside, preparing the layer on the cutoff. Okay, so I transfer the one pattern here, and then what I will do, I will add on each section.
Well,
Bobby. He's checking with who I'm talking to. So I will add ½ inch on every side. When the cushion is done, it will compress. It will compress, the fabric will compress the foam. The fabric will be original size, and that will make that tension on a foam. And if you just make the same, you know, the fabric will pull in, and that's the problem. I was waiting this moment when I will start doing this, but I will tell you, no matter when I start doing the projects here, it's like, oh, when I will finish. So it's chasing with the time always. This is really nice because this one is soft, so medium and hard, you know. So when you lay down, you know, you see how it's just it's coming, you know, like you can go in, but you don't feel the wood under, you know, because the bottom is firm foam. This is how you're making this. So you have a template, and this is original template for the size. And now when you put that, okay, Bobby, stay there.
What you doing? What you doing?
I want to see it. I want to see it. What do you mean? What do you mean? Couple of dots. Okay. Mark corners. So that's it now, and then I add on this. I add ½ inch. If you subscribe on a channel, you will have full picture how to make the cushion and how to cut the foam and how to do all kind of stuff. So please, just like and subscribe there somewhere, you know, and let's roll this. Let's roll this. I will explain everything from dodgers, biminis, bending frames, blah blah, and how I made everything, because we will make everything. See you later. Now, you can use all kind of fancy tools, but you can use something simple like, okay? So you can buy electrical knife for bread. You know, you can cut with that. It's sometimes complicated when it's thicker, so it won't stuck or burn out or something, you know. But this is what I like, because I could play. Okay, and you go one direction. See?
That's nice.
My sandwich. Okay, that's how you can cut. So you can see it's easy, you know, like it's not easy to cut like flat without proper tool, but this is how you can do that actually in a remote area, or you don't have all tools, or you know, like I'm seeing people on a Facebook, or you know, you put the video and they commenting, hey, you don't have this equipment, you can't do that like that, you know. I have one, just do the job, you know, like so this is just to show you that you can do it, okay? And it's not complicated, so, or you can order and they can cut it for you. But this is a video how to do it yourself, not how to order something, okay? So this is how to do it yourself. See ya. See ya. Now I will show you what I did in Weber, the F room, we did that templating, then we did the cushions. Actually, we did the foam. We prepared the foam in the layers. Now they are in a position. I'm looking what I need to do to make everything be a little bit better. Also, I did the template here. So this is the cushions now for this section here. You see the tension here. So that tension will be removed because I will sand the bottom here on both sides. And when you have a fabric will compress this a little bit in, and that will fit much better. So that's the idea. Okay, see you. Okay. Making video, huh?
Making video.
Okay.
What you guys doing?
So Luna, she's a project manager.
We're making aft cabin cushion. Mattress actually.
And this is Dacron. So what we did, we cut the Dacron. This one is anyway stiff. Like, what is this, 1/2 inch? But it's compressed.
Long T is pro. Okay, all done.
All done. What now?
Okay, supervisor.
Okay, are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put this there. All of them right now we will have here huge mess. We are not in a shop, so what I will do, print the fabric and do this too. And then continue whatever we're doing. Do we have a zippers?
No. Yes.
Yes or no? Let's make something, okay. I'm making cushion, the first cushion. So
That's cushion for the afternoon.
yeah, so what I'm doing here is actually, I will just mark like this. This is top and this is boxing, okay? The other side you can put two together. So like two of them, so that doesn't confuse you, like which side is where when you remove everything, you know? So that will help you a lot there. You can grab the corner, like you put a finger here, grab the corner, and then you can cut the corner, and that will give you actually idea where is the corner, exactly this corner where it will go, you know? Okay. Here how this is shorter, you can see that. So what you can do, you do this actually, you pulling the bottom and you pushing the top. So this is first time I'm sewing with this fabric, so you need to figure out this fabric really good, but this is what you do. You're not pulling the top, so you need to push the top. So it's tricky when you're doing this, but actually that's the reason why you have this hash marks, so that you can figure out. So when you're doing in a house, so when you're doing this in a house, you need to understand that you can't pull. You need to always know position, what's happening, so that you can play with the fabric up or down, pull or release or push. You know, this advice will save you a lot of time, believe me, that I just gave you. So advice is put the hash marks and just go from there. And every time you see I'm coming, you see this? So that means that machine is pulling more the bottom. So you can release the tension. You don't need to have too big tension. But you know, you need to know your machine. But also you need to know the fabric. If you don't know the fabric, this is what's happening. See, when you're doing a remote control, now you don't have a fancy tools, but it's coming okay. You don't need a fancy tools. You just need the ice. Okay, it's good. From here. Yeah, like I said, you don't need a fancy tools. You just take anything and that will be okay. That will be okay. You know? Now when you're watching the videos and they say, yeah, we did the cushions.
You already talked about that.
Yeah, I need to talk about all the time. So when they're saying, yeah, we did this project, we did this project, and if they physically they didn't do the project, you know, so they didn't do the project. Somebody else did for them. With the toots, they are small. When you have a bigger, it's doing like you know, like, but when you have a small, they have a really nice cut. This is like really nice and fast. That's it. That's good. Woo! You just need ice. You don't need special tool. Ice, man. Ice, ice, baby. Dun 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 dun. Ice, ice, baby. Okay, that's good, huh? So I only missing one piece there, and we are done with the all cushions in. This is done. Thank you.
You have like sunset and you.
And ice. I need ice. You don't need special tools, but you need ice in
Bye.
Florida. Ice, ice, baby. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.